Hi, it's Karen, the Weekend Craftaholic, and thanks for joining me for my June catch-up of my craft favourites for the month. I'll start off with something old, and first of all you can see I've repurposed these Ikea drawers. So I used to have paper in here, different collections, but I've did a bit of a tidy up in anticipation of getting my craft room moved out, and I've now put all of my Cricut rolls into these drawers, and you can see the way that I've just sectioned them off based on vinyl, HTV, that kind of thing. So it's a lot neater. They do store quite a bit, probably about 5 in each row, and they fit perfectly with the width. So really glad to reuse those. The other very quick thing that I've been loving in June, because I'm doing a lot more stamping, is my Big Shot machine. Normally keep it just off my desk onto the side of my cupboards, so it's within easy reach. And I've got all of my stuff at the back of it as well, all the different plates and things that I might need for embossing and so on. And yeah, it's been a great staple in my craft room. The other old thing that I've really enjoyed is my wax seals. So I don't know if you saw any of my videos a few months ago, but I made a heap of these, and I've slowly been making my way through using these when I've been sending out cards as well. Also great to put on little collections as well, little layouts. So been really enjoying having those ready to go in my stash. The other old thing that I've enjoyed throughout the month, I've been making quite a few cards with foil, and it's my foil quill. So I did get the plate, you can see I just taped it down on an old mat, so it was all in place. Comes with these magnetic clips anyway, but I've really enjoyed using my Cricut with the foil pen to make some nice little intricate designs on different coloured foil. And then my last old favourite is an Instagram account. This is Our3littlepumpkins. I hope you can see this, but if not, check her out on Instagram. Been following her for a long time, but I'm just loving some of the posts that she's doing with her project life. They're just so nice and clean, loads of great ideas and inspiration to use. And so I really love the aesthetic of some of her designs. So I definitely wanted to share that with you as well. Now moving on to something new. If you saw my craft haul video last week, you'll know that I bought the Uniquely Creative baby collection. This was the boy collection, Hey Baby Boy I think it was called. It's a little bit of a mess here because I've started making my album, but I'm absolutely loving these different shades of blue with the greys and the browns. Really enjoying using this little collection. It reminds me of the Christmas collection they had a few years back. But just look how cute some of these little characters are. So that's been my favourite collection for the month for sure. I have also been loving this Tacky Glue. So I got this probably a couple of months ago. Not shared it until I've really got familiar with it and really enjoyed it. It never clogs, puts the perfect amount on your project. So and it, as it says, it's nice and tacky. So a really great product in and really good value. Just over 4 fluid ounce. So it's a nice size bottle as well that you know is going to last you quite a while. The other thing that I've been enjoying is the Great British Sewing Bee. That came back at the end of May. Finished watching it now. It's a grand final at the end of June. So really enjoyed the Great British Sewing Bee. Now a new YouTuber that I found in June is Angelica Conrad. She does these gorgeous illustrations with Colorado Craft Company using the Anita Durham design. You can see here just how bright and beautiful they are. I love watching all people that do these tutorials. They make it look so easy, don't they? But her cards are absolutely fantastic. So if you've not come across her and you're a big fan of the stamps, definitely check her out. She makes it look effortless. And the last new thing for me this month, which probably is a bit of a surprise because I've purchased from Hobby Hoppers quite a few times, but I didn't realise till recently she had an Instagram account. So you can see here I came across it by accident. Absolutely loved being able to see her showcase different products, find out a little bit more when there's a sale on. You can see here different notifications as well as some ideas as well for different crafting. So definitely check out that as well. She can post about new products and things, so it'd be useful if you're in Australia as well. And she always does the free shipping if you spend over $60, which is pretty good value as well if you are going to buy stuff online. And that is my craft favourites. Nice and quick one. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Have a great crafting week.